set of rallies actually in set number 1. And Bella Belen and Savvy Davison have been top of the entertainment list for the day so far. Belen giving over a free ball. Calf, the setup to the right pin. And KKD just knew what to do with it.
Yeah, you can see KKD just going for that sharp cross-court hit. That's her forte there. Gusto nila mataas pero mabagal. Pero sa kanya low, fast. Kaya ganun kabilis rin bumaba yung bola.
Belen. Arado was there. Toromal, great reflexes. From the middle, Reyes finding an open spot.
Or those B-quicks coming from Mika Reyes and Majoy Baron.
Back to Belen. Arado making sure to cover her now. KKD. Bella, one blocker to beat there. Bumped over to Savvy. Another cut shot. Leads to a free ball. What will Calf do here? She'll go to Mika Reyes, who finishes it off from the middle. I like your point earlier, what you said about psychology. And sometimes now it's coming from behind and making sure you're still in the game. You're not losing focus. Because right now, PLDT's confidence.
And alam naman ni Belen na nagkamali siya dun sa atake niya.
Short serve. First ball problems. At Bella Belen. Sharp serve. A chance to set. Pauline, one-man block. Nowhere to go.
Yeah.
A lot of people, diba? Dapat parehas pa rin kahit iba yung environment nila dito. Ganda, very veteran, savvy.
Yes, it's really the mindset also who is really manning the floor defense there without their libero inside.
Back row, Savvy Davison.
That time, Davison still gets that point.
Neutralized at the net. And no one home. Here comes Iris. One-man block again. And the Taft Towers are towering in this game.
That won't be the tall blockers here for PLDT. They need to do is, they need the middle blockers to slide or go for those B-quick or mga ginagawa ng PLDT na tumba para maiba lang yung projection na blockers for PLDT. Coming from Bella Belen. All you need to do is score. There, back-to-back points coming from her. How you would prepare yourself in every possession?
Savvy. Good denial by Pauline. Savvy again. Iris, the toss-up for Belen. And Baron and KKD shuts down the door.
It's still them here on the side of PLDT.
Sharp serve.
Yeah.
Bella again challenging the double block. Had to find a tough angle. Savvy Davison, one-man block. I think that's the third or fourth time we've seen a one-man block.
Savvy Davison here. Seth Rodriguez also in for PLDT.
So it's 12 serving 21. Even that soft touch by Rodriguez is working. That is inside for Jessie De Leon. And we arrive at set point.
Let's see how they rally back. Score 2-3 points, okay pa to eh. Like, building momentum eh, going into the third set.
Iris will toss it up for Niegos from the right pin. Battle at the net, won by Cherry Nunag.
Yeah.
I think what Capital One is looking for now is that sense of urgency. And that is out of bounds, but close.
Anything.
So Capital One still alive. Malaluan. Finishing touches to set number 2.